Hey you guys, today we're going to draw two fish kissing. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can always use whatever you have. You can use pencils, colored pencils, or even crayons. Because I'm using markers, I'm also drawing on marker paper. This helps keep the markers lasting longer and also protects our table. Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw the number 3 in the middle of our paper. This is for our first fish lips, kissing lips. Then we're going to draw a backwards letter 3 or number 3 right next to it. Then we could draw the first fish body on the left. We're going to draw it curving up, over and down. And then we can draw the bottom of the body to match. And we're going to leave space back here for the tail. Then we can repeat that same shape on the right side for the top and also the bottom. Okay, now let's add the tail. We're going to draw a diagonal line up and down. And we can repeat all of the same steps on both sides. Now we can finish the tail by drawing a curve from the top down to the bottom. If I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video, especially if you want to add more things. Okay, now let's draw the top fin. We'll start here and curve back and then down. Let's do that same top fin on the other side to match. And then we can also draw the eyes. Let's draw a circle and another circle. And let's draw the highlight. We'll draw a smaller circle and the top. I'm drawing them towards each other. We can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now let's draw a gill for both fish. And then we can also draw the side fin. We'll draw a diagonal line up, and I'm going to draw a shorter diagonal line down. We'll do the same thing over here. Long diagonal up and short down. Then we can connect like we did for the tail. We'll curve from the top down to the bottom. And then we can draw the fins on the bottom of our fish too. I'm going to draw the first fin. We can do the same on the right side. And let's make it look 3D. We'll draw another one, but only part of it since it's behind the other fin. These kind of look like legs, and these are the arms up here. Let's draw one more bigger fin on the bottom. We can curve around to the back and connect into the body. And we can do the same on the right side. And we did it, we finished drawing our two fish kissing, except we still need to color it. This part I'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match my same coloring, but also want to challenge you to color your fish differently. You could add different patterns and different colors. Also be sure to add a background. All right, let's speed things up. And we're all finished coloring our drawings. I hope you'll take time to color yours too. You can even add a background to really complete your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.